Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching SHREKTECH78, and so today I'm back with another video. Today I'm unboxing this rock crawlers, and this is a 4-wheel drive, and it's 1:8 in scale, so this might be a huge beast, yeah. And this is the first RC ever to be unboxed on my channel, and I'm gonna create a new playlist called the RC collections, and it'll be added to that, so you can visit the playlist soon. And so today we're unboxing this crazy RC, which has like all-weather stuffs and things. It has a 2.4 gigahertz controls, and it doesn't interfere with other controls, so this is amazing. And so what's waiting us? Let's unbox this thing. So guys, the price of this RC 4-wheel drive is 2.9k, and hopefully it is worth paying that much, Okay, so the package is not so good, but literally the RC is. So these are the rock crawlers, and this is actually built for climbing on the rocks or going off-roading, especially for off-roading, guys. Like, they don't have any air inside, so that gives you the better suspension going on the rocks. And it has the suspensions front and back, so you can see here it's the best one. So it has switching angles in between. It's a 4-wheel drive, so you can't expect that one back is driving and front is just steering. So everything is driving, everything is only the front is steering. So this is amazing, right? So really is actually it feels like breaking it because it's too huge, it's too awesome. And the best part is about testing this RC. So let's see what's inside the box. The other part of this box is they give you the RC controller and these things. Awesome. They give you the rechargeable 700 mAh battery along with the charger, so that's amazing. The rechargeable part is amazing. So this is the 2.4 GHz remote control, where you don't get any interference between the controlling your RC with this remote, so that's amazing. Uninterruptible drive, so that's another part. So why don't we test this thing, guys? The testing video is gonna come soon, but the thing is, I've unboxed this crazy RC, the first RC to be unboxed on my channel. And best part, it's a rock crawlers, and yeah, taking it off-roading. So all the time off-roading is best part that you guys can see. I don't know what's about the speed. They didn't give much about the speed. They didn't give much about any of the information about how much should I charge. Please be waiting for the testing series, guys. That'll be an amazing part of the unboxing. Stay tuned for more updates on the testing of this rock crawlers. That's all-wheel drive, the beast. And yep, hit the subscribe button, like it, and share it, guys. So have a nice day.